Students, let's learn addition and subtraction of fractions. There are two types of fractions. First one is like fractions and second one is unlike fraction. How to add like and unlike fractions. This is what we have to learn. Students, in like fractions, the denominator would be same, but in unlike fractions, the denominators would be different. So when we add like fractions, students, this denominator will be written under a long line once only. These two are fractions and we are about to add them. If both of them have same denominator, this is how to add them. We'll write denominator once under that overline, and both the numerators will be written along with the sign written between these fractions. So by adding these two numbers, we'll get 4 over 8. So this is how to add like fractions. Now let's turn to the other side where unlike fractions are adding. So students, these two have different denominators. How to add different denominators? Students, these are unlike fractions. So first of all, to add them, we must make them like fraction. So how will make them like fractions? To turn them into like fractions, we have to multiply them with the numbers which will make the denominators same. So both of them don't come in each other's tables. So students, we can multiply. If the numbers or the denominators do not come in the same table, so we'll cross multiply them. That means this fraction would be multiplied by 5 and divided by 5, and this fraction would be multiplied by this number 7 by 7. 7 by 7 and 5 by 5 will be multiplied with these two fractions. So we'll get the first one will turn into 5 2s are 10 over 7 5s are 35, and these two will be multiplied as well. 3 7s are 21 over 35. So this is how we'll make unlike fractions, will turn unlike fractions into like fractions. When we have turned them into like fraction, it is the same like we did in the like fractions addition. So the denominator will be written as it is and numerators will be added, and we'll get 31 by 35. So this is how to add like and unlike fractions. So students, if we put minus sign between these fractions, what we'll do? The method is a bit same. 8 will be written as it is, 3 minus 1 will be written in the numerator, and we'll subtract them, we'll get 2 by 8. This is how to subtract a like fraction. And check how to subtract unlike fractions. So students, first of all, we'll make them like fraction. We'll turn them into like fractions by multiplying 5 over 5, and we'll multiply the other fraction with 7 over 7. So we'll get 2 5s are 10 over 7 5s are 35 minus 21, 7 3s are, or 3 7s are, and 35 in the denominator. So the denominators have turned same. We have turned them into like fraction. So 35 will be written once, and numerator 10 minus 21, and if we subtract them, we'll get minus 11 over 35. So this is how to subtract like and unlike fractions.